Before we can discuss the identities of the founding Knights Templar, we must first address the foundation of the Catholic monastic order to which they pledged their chivalry, the Order of the Cistercians. On March 21, 1098 AD, the feast day of Saint Benedict, which fell on Palm Sunday that year, the monks of the Abbey of Citeaux, in Cluny, France, under Abbot Alberic and swearing their allegiance to the Church of Chalon, petitioned in Exordium Sacri Ordinans Cisterciensis to charter a new monastery for strict observance of the rule of Saint Benedict for a proper monastic lifestyle. On April 18, 1100, Pope Paschal II declared the establishment of the Order of Citeaux as the Cistercians by apostolic letters from Troia in Campania. The Cistercians quickly differentiated themselves from other traditional Benedictine orders by changing the color of their robes from black to white, and by adding to their ranks lay brothers, called conversi, who were not ordained monks, but who were treated among the order as equals to them. Saint Robert, a founder of the Cistercian creed, set about to restore manual labor to the regimen of the order's members and to impose a more severe, strict, and enforced routine on the members in general, in reaction against what had been a perceived laxity in the monastery prior to that point in time. However, later in the same year that the Cistercians' new monastery was officially recognized by the Papal See, on July 18, 1100 AD, Godfrey de Bouillon, king of Jerusalem, died and was succeeded by his brother Baldwin II of Edessa, who was crowned in the Basilica of Bethlehem on December 25th that year. The immediate result of this succession in power was that the Roman papacy recognized the 20,000 citizens of Jerusalem who could serve as paid conscripts, the Turcopoles, a Saracen-style armed cavalry, being paid a fief de soude, or lifetime annuity, under the vassals of the king's court, could easily overtake their own scattered loyalists spread out among the 4 metropolitan sees of Tyre, Caesarea, Besançon, and Petra, the 7 suffragan sees, and many abbeys, including Mount Zion, Mount Olivet, the Temple, Josaphat, and the Holy Sepulchre, who all answered to the papal loyal patriarch rather than to the king and his armed vassals. So the papacy of the era established the institution of religious chivalric dominions and the formation of the first religious order of knights, the Hospitallers, or the monks of the Hospital of St. John, founded by the merchants of Amalfi, who were organized into a militia to combat the Saracens under Gerard de Puy in 1113.